Hey everyone, this is Harleen Kaur, an intermentor at Vision CA, and I'll be discussing paper 2 of CA Intermediate syllabus, that is corporate and other laws. So basically the syllabus consists of two parts: the Companies Act 2013, which comes for 60 marks in the exam, and the other laws, which comes for 40 marks. The paper pattern is such that 30 marks questions are MCQ based questions and the other 70 marks questions are pure theory based questions. Coming to which material to refer, prefer studying from the ICI module, because in theory subjects nothing is going to come from outside the module. If you have some other material which covers all the content of ICI module in a concise manner, you can use that instead. Just don't keep on switching between books. Also, just ensure that your materials is amended as per your attempt. Coming to what the strategy should be while studying. The main focus should be on understanding the provisions. You do not need to mug up the entire provision word to word. You just have to remember the legal meaning of the provision along with some specific keywords. Make summary notes, make lists, section wise list, rule number list, case law list, and all other such lists. They help in remembering these things easily, as well as they help in quicker revision. For the MCQ portion, read the module thoroughly and practice as much MCQs as you can. Refer RTPs, MTPs, past year question papers. They help you in evaluating yourself, and along with that, you also get to know what kind of questions are asked by ICAI. The next thing is try to do at least 3 revisions. For that, you can use marathon videos for quicker revision. One thing which I would like to add on is during your third revision, try to complete it within 2 days, so that you are aware that in the 1.5 days that you get before the final exam, what all you have to prepare and how to prepare. Coming to the last part, paper presentation. The format of your answer should be: firstly, write the provision. In this, write the section number or rule number to which the question relates, and also write what the section or rule states. The next thing is writing the facts of the case given in the question, and also explaining how those facts relate to the provisions explained earlier. The last thing would be writing the conclusion in brief to which you have reached. While writing the provision, if you know the section number, do write it. But if you do not know the section number, please do not write the wrong section numbers. That would create a wrong impression in front of the examiner. The last thing would be write at least 2 mock test papers before appearing for the final exam. They will help you prepare for it in a much better way and help you evaluate your strong points and your weak points. I hope these points will be helpful for you in your preparation. Feel free to reach out in case you have any queries, and all the best.